I know this is going to upset some of y'all, but this has got to go. So, I'm actually going to start this the night before and then continue it into tomorrow. So, the first whatever clips from today will be the first half. Second half will actually be when the video is posted tomorrow. But now that we picked up our Harley-Davidson Sportster Custom 1200, we need a spot for it. And truthfully, this is the perfect spot. You know, I'm just not going to say any other way. I know a lot of people are going to be upset, but like, this is taking up a lot of freaking room, and I need room for that, for this, for the motorcycle, for the tiny motorcycle that's sitting over here. Like, there's so much more practical things I can put in here other than a Camaro that I'm not even going to fix. So, for the time period, for the time now, we're basically going to get everything moved out. I'm going to have to get this Camaro started. I'm going to take it over to my grandfather's house, and the bike's going to end up down here. Now, do I think the bike is going to be down here in this video? I don't know, maybe, maybe not. It all depends, but ultimately, this car is going over to my grandpa's house because we are not keeping the body to this car. We are just taking the motor and the trans out. Like I said in the last Camaro update video, would I like to get another Camaro project someday? Yes, but there are so many other things going on the channel right now that I really enjoy. Like, I want to get the Warrior done, the NASCAR, the mini chopper, plus now having a Harley. The Jeep's finally fixed, the Jetta's fixed. Like, 'cause all we got to do is get the truck fixed, and we're looking good. I don't want to, like, stress myself out over a rotted 92 third-gen Camaro. I really don't. Not when I can go find a cleaner frame, or I should say body, a cleaner body, and go from there. It's just not, timing-wise, right now, does not make sense for me to work on this car. There's just simply too much shit inside here, and this is the biggest piece of it. Now, we do have 2 flat tires on this side. Obviously, I can't get in here with the jack to jack that up, so we're just going to have to jump it and drive it out like that. And most likely tomorrow, fill air in the tires. Well, the Jeep just barely fits in the doorway here, but this could be one of our final startups of the 92 3rd Gen Camaro. Oh shit, we on fire! Well, I'll be fucking goddamn. Well, those fucking jumper cables are shot. Holy shit. Whoops. I was fucking smoking. Now, god dang it. Soon, as I freaking stop recording and I end up freaking just trying to get this thing started, it starts. Now, it has no coolant reservoir in it, so I need to get the Jeep backed out of here so we can pull this thing out. Apparently she was leaking something too. Piece of shit. Dude, I want you guys to see how flat these tires are. Oh man, I might have a hard time even getting air in that. Just being really honest. Same with the front. Oh well. We'll get it situated. But there is enough room here for me to get a jack outside here. But look at how much more room this is going to open up. Especially, like, honestly, I'm contemplating getting rid of this. Not sure exactly yet, but like this is going to free up so much room inside here. Yeah, I'm wearing a Pringles shirt. Don't talk about it. I'm going to let this air out for a little bit because it freaking reeks right now inside this garage. But hey, it started. That's all that freaking matters. Ultimately, like I said, the 305 and the 700 R4 are coming out of this car, but the rest of the body itself is just so rotted. It's not worth my time fixing. So for those of you guys that genuinely love third-gen Camaros, I want you to understand that I love third-gen Camaros too. I have a 1988 that is completely restored. Everything that is salvageable off of the 92 is tucked in here. We have a spare hood here. We have all sorts of parts laying in the back. Everything that could have been saved off of this car is saved. Look at this. It's the Broke Down Bros. Alrighty, guys. It's the next morning. I'm obviously in the same shit. It's another day, but another time that we're going to get some stuff accomplished. But it is 7:53 right now in the morning. I'm like timing myself perfect to get to Harbor Freight at 8 o'clock. Because I want to pick up a couple things. Now that the garage is going to be open, I want to pick up a couple things. I'm going to get like a nice toolbox, which obviously I know some of you guys are going to be like, oh, well, Harbor Freight toolboxes aren't nice. Well, for what I need, it's going to be nice. I don't feel the need to buy a snap-on toolbox for my little freaking one-bay garage in my house. But anywho, it is day 11 of No Tobacco, so I just wanted to remind you guys that. Now, it is like 6.5 minutes into the video already, but like I said, we started this video technically yesterday, so I didn't want to actually say hey, it's day 11 until it was physically day 11. I've got the toolbox and a couple other things in the back of the Jeep right now, so I wanted to get either the orange, the black, or the blue toolbox that they had. It was like originally $300, they had them down to like $250. Well, when I got to the register and I was like, okay, I want this one, they're like, well, we only have the color red. So we got a red one for an additional $50 off, and I paid under $200 for this toolbox. All right, guys, this is it. We got air in the tires. Getting ready to roll across the street. It's go time. Do you guys remember me telling you that this is going to free up so much room? Perfect spot for the bike, plus having complete access coming in through here. And we're nowhere near organized right now. Like, I still have the Duramax batteries laying out. I'm going to find a place to tuck all this stuff. I have a bunch of stuff that I have to tuck my tools into our new toolbox that we just put together today. You know, this frees up so much space. Plus the motorcycles out there. Don't mind the Duramax has literally a crap ton of stuff in the bed of it right now. We're just kind of cleaning house so you guys can see there's a lot of old third-gen Camaro parts in there because the Camaro went bye-bye. Well, it's across the street, but it's going to be disappearing within the next 2 weeks forever and ever and ever. Well, guys, this is it. This is it after 2 years of dealing with attempting to work on this car. We're giving up. The motor's finally going to get pulled. The trans is finally going to get pulled. And we're moving on to bigger and better things. I know some of you guys are going to be pretty pissed that this is disappearing, but I got to do what is right. And ultimately, the next thing on my list that I need to get taken care of is my LB7 Duramax. So obviously we got the Jetta, we've got the Jeep, now we got the motorcycle. Almost called it the mic. We need to get the truck done. We need to get the truck done next. We obviously, the Warrior is pretty much ready to rock and roll. We got the Warrior to put back together, and we got the NASCAR go-kart and the mini Harley build. There's so many other things that I want to focus my time on, including spending time with my kids and enjoying those little things rather than get myself pissed off over this thing. So I'm gonna let you guys look at this one last time, get our thumbnail, and then it's deuces because you guys will never see this car again. Bye, Felicia. Bye-bye. Anyway, guys, if you watched this video all the way through, thank you, number one, for watching the video all the way through. Two, hopefully you're joining this 30-day tobacco-free challenge. I currently have a pouch of Back Off wintergreen pouches in my mouth. Still waiting on my candy dips to arrive. It's killing me, but honestly, the Back Off really isn't that bad. I feel like I'm just knocking a lot of stuff out, and honestly, getting the Jeep done, getting the Camaro out of here, getting the bike, and everything like that is keeping me motivated to push through these 30 freaking days. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, tell your friends, and join us on our journey to 10,000 freaking subscribers. I'll see you guys tomorrow.